Imagine your phone, your car, even your coffee machine all thinking, learning, and making decisions without needing the internet. This isn't science fiction. Welcome to the world of edge intelligence, where artificial intelligence lives directly inside your devices. It's a quiet revolution that's happening all around us, making our technology faster, smarter, and more private. In this video, we're going deep into Edge AI. We'll break down what it is, how it's already transforming entire industries from healthcare to agriculture, and why it might just be the biggest technological shift since cloud computing took over the world. By the end of this, you'll understand why the future of AI isn't just in some distant data centers in the palm of your hand. So first, what exactly is edge intelligence? In the simplest terms, it means running artificial intelligence programs locally on a device like your smartphone, a security camera, or even a factory robot instead of sending data to be processed on faraway cloud servers. Think of it like this. Traditional cloud AI is like having a brain in a lab somewhere that you have to call every time you need to think. Edge AI is like bringing that brain right into the body, where it can react instantly. When an AI model lives inside a device, it can process information on the spot, without any delay or dependency on an internet connection. This means faster decisions, much better privacy, and significantly lower latency. You've already seen this in action, probably without even realizing it. When your phone unlocks with your face, that's Edge AI. When a drone swerves to avoid an obstacle mid-flight, that's Edge AI. When a car's autonomous system makes a split-second braking decision to prevent an accident. That is the power of Edge. AI processing intelligence right where it's needed, when it's needed most. It's this ability to act instantly that makes Edge AI so powerful. Instead of sending a video stream of your face to a server to be verified, your phone's chip analyzes it right there. This is not only faster, but also more secure. Your biometric data never has to leave your device. The same principle applies to a smart factory sensor that detects a machine vibration that signals a future failure. It doesn't wait for permission from the cloud. It raises the alarm immediately, preventing costly downtime. That's the core concept. Intelligence on the spot. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but why is everyone talking about it now? Edge AI isn't technically a new concept, but we are at a tipping point. The reason it's exploding in importance right now comes down to two major factors: hardware capability and a growing demand for privacy. First, the devices we use every day have become incredibly powerful. We now have specialized processors designed specifically for AI tasks. Think of chips from companies like NVIDIA, Qualcomm's, Snapdragon processors, and Apple's own neural engine. These tiny, power-efficient chips have given our smartphones, cars, and IoT devices the computational muscle to run complex AI models directly, something that was only possible on massive servers just a few years ago. It's like we've gone from having pocket calculators to pocket supercomputers. At the same time, there's a huge push for better data security and privacy. With regulations like GDPR and a general public that's more aware of how their data is used, companies are looking for ways to reduce their reliance on the cloud. When AI runs locally on the edge, sensitive information, like your voice commands, your facial features, or patterns of your behavior at home, never has to be sent over the internet. It stays on your device, under your control. This is a massive win for privacy. The impact of this shift is already being felt across industries. In healthcare, smart sensors can now monitor a patient's vital signs in real time and alert doctors to an emergency without sending a constant stream of private health data to the cloud. In manufacturing, factories can use on-device AI to spot tiny defects on an assembly line instantly, improving quality control. And in retail, stores can analyze customer foot traffic to optimize layouts without tracking individual faces, respecting shopper privacy. This is where real-time intelligence meets trust, and it's a game changer. Let's get specific and look at some real-world examples of how edge intelligence is shaping our world right now. You'll be surprised how much of it is already here. In the automotive industry, it's the backbone of self-driving and driver assist systems. A self-driving car needs to make decisions in under 10 milliseconds. The time it takes for a signal to travel to the cloud and back is just too long. Whether it's detecting a pedestrian or reacting to a sudden stop, all that critical processing happens on the car's internal computers. That's Edge AI saving lives. In agriculture, we're seeing a new wave of smart farming. Drones and tractors equipped with AI-powered cameras can analyze crop health and soil conditions on the fly. They can spot diseases or pests and apply treatment precisely where it's needed, all without needing a constant internet connection in a remote field. This increases crop yield and reduces waste. Think about home security. Modern AI-powered cameras can detect the difference between a person, a pet, and a passing car locally on the device itself. This means you get relevant alerts without your private video footage being uploaded to a server for analysis, unless you choose to. Even retail is getting smarter. Smart shelves in stores can use simple sensors and edge processing to know when a product is running low and automatically trigger a restock order. They can do this without complex camera systems, keeping the process simple and efficient. And in healthcare, wearable devices like smartwatches are doing more than just counting steps. They use Edge AI to analyze your heart rate variability in real time, potentially detecting irregularities like atrial fibrillation long before a person might notice any symptoms. All these applications have one thing in common: they require decisions right now, not a second later. That's the magic of edge computing. So, how is Edge AI actually different from the cloud AI we hear so much about? It's not about one being better than the other. They are designed for different jobs and often work together. Cloud AI is the heavyweight champion. It's fantastic for training massive, complex models on enormous datasets. Think about training a language model like the one powering ChatGPT that requires the immense power of a data center. The cloud is also great for deep analysis and coordinating information from thousands or millions of sources. But its weaknesses are latency and its dependence on a good internet connection. It can be slow. Edge AI, on the other hand, is all about speed, efficiency, and autonomy. It's designed for immediate action and real-time responsiveness. It's perfect for tasks that need to happen instantly, right where the data is generated. Its limitation is that the device has less power and storage than a giant server farm. The most powerful systems today use a hybrid model, getting the best of both worlds. The edge device handles the immediate, time-sensitive tasks, while the cloud takes care of the big-picture learning and model updates. A great example is a Tesla. The car's onboard computer handles all the real-time driving decisions. It doesn't upload every single detail of the road to the cloud. Instead, it might send back only key learnings or unusual scenarios, what the company calls fleet learning, which helps Tesla improve its AI models for everyone. The car learns on the edge, and the entire fleet learns in the cloud. Of course, edge intelligence isn't a perfect solution without its own set of challenges. The biggest hurdles are the physical limitations of the devices themselves. Running sophisticated AI models requires a lot of processing power, and doing that on a small, battery-powered device is a tough balancing act. You have to manage limited power consumption, smaller storage capacity, and less raw computing muscle compared to a cloud server. However, chip manufacturers are racing to solve these problems. We're seeing incredible progress with new processors like Apple's M-series chips and Google's Tensor processing units, which are specifically designed to run AI tasks incredibly efficiently. These new chips are rapidly closing the performance gap, allowing for more powerful AI on smaller and smaller devices. So, what does the future look like? Expect to see a fully decentralized AI ecosystem. In this world, your devices won't just be smart on their own. They'll start thinking together, creating a web of hyperlocal intelligence. Imagine your smart doorbell detecting a delivery driver. which then signals your smart lock to temporarily allow access to a secure porch area. When you arrive home, your car communicates with your house to prep the AC to your preferred temperature. Your fridge, aware of your schedule, might suggest a quick dinner recipe based on the ingredients it knows you have. And all of this could happen seamlessly, securely, and without any of that data needing to touch the wider internet. That is the coming era of ambient, hyperlocal intelligence. So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? Edge intelligence isn't just another tech buzzword to ignore. It's the quiet but powerful revolution happening in your pocket, in your home, and throughout your city. It's about making our devices smarter, faster, more reliable, and more independent. If you're in business, this shift is creating incredible new opportunities in IoT, robotics, automation, and any field that requires real-time decision-making. If you're a developer or a creator, this is your chance to build the next generation of products that don't just respond, but think and act in real time. The future of AI won't just live in the distant cloud. It will live right here, right next to you, woven into the fabric of your daily life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this breakdown of Edge AI helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our future. Let me know in the comments what you think the most exciting application of Edge AI will be. See you in the next one.